How to block a caller on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any chat from the list. Then tap on their name at the top. Here, you can edit and view their contact info, such as their name, number, as well as their WhatsApp profile picture. You can also manage other chat settings from here. Now scroll down to the end and tap on Block. Tap on Block again to confirm. Blocked contacts will no longer be able to call you or send you messages. You have now successfully blocked this user. If you want to unblock them, then go back and tap on the unblock option at the bottom. So, by following these simple steps, you can easily block a caller on WhatsApp.